Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So, when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a similar screen as I can see on my end, with a hello and a gigantic arrow. And when pressing on it, you can then select Connect to Mobile Network. Let me quickly check something. Now, I didn't mention one more thing because it's kind of the screen not very normal, I would say. But at the bottom right here, you do have the language selection. So if you want to use something else than what is set by default, you'd click right over here and change it up, and then click on an arrow. Next, you can then connect to mobile network by inserting a SIM card, and this step is completely optional. You don't need to do it. You can just simply skip it if you want to, and you can also skip the Wi-Fi connection page right over here, but just keep in mind that when you do both of those, date and time won't be set automatically, so it's going to show up as one of the setup pages. You won't be able to restore apps and the data from a cloud backup. You won't be able to log into Google account, and that being said, all these things can be changed later on after the setup has been completed by just going into the settings. Next, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn all of those off if you want to, but let's be honest, it's from Google, so I highly doubt it does anything apart from just looking like it's off. There is a reason why corpos are in class action lawsuits left and right, and it's not because these tacos do a lot. Anyway, moving on, we can then select a screen lock for our device. By default, it opts in to a 4-digit PIN. You can also select screen lock options and choose pattern or password if you want to. And again, you don't need to protect your device if you don't want to, but I highly recommend doing this. Now, I am going to be skipping it, which is kind of counter to what I'm saying, but obviously if you're going to be using this device, it's beneficial to you to protect it. If you lose it or anything like that, it would most likely suck if some random person that finds your phone would have access to everything that is on your device. So do select a screen lock. Now this is at work, so this has no meaning right here. There is no personal data, so it doesn't matter. Now, next we have terms and conditions. You can read both of them. So you have end user license agreement and privacy policy. Once you click on those and read them, or you don't even need to click on them, but obviously you do have to agree to them. So moving on, we have experience improvement programs. These are completely up to you. They look like they're all enabled by default, so we can maybe turn those off if you don't like some of them. And then we have meet the Glyph Interface, which is this thing at the bottom, which looks like it's off right now. And select next, and I think it's going to be lighting up. Nope, never mind. Okay, so it's not lighting up. I'm pretty sure the first versions of these devices did have this kind of a light up, but in any case, so it just gave us a quick notification about the Glyph interface, and now it's giving us info about the essential key, which is this button right here that you might confuse with the power button. This is basically an action button from iPhone. That's kind of what it is. And what's new in OS 3.0? So just basic information about like widgets, how they work, and some timers and whatever. So next, add more. So we can add some widgets or change certain things, I think. Oh, nope, this is just info. So Android 15. So yeah, just basic info. Moving on. Choose your theme. We have two different ones. We have the Nothing theme and the default Android. I do want to point out that the Nothing one actually comes with widgets already applied, like for instance the clock and some other ones. So I'm going to select that as it just fits with the theme of the device. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.